So we are here at
Casey's.
Yeah, where we're always at.
Once again.
Once again, we be at Casey's. Where did we just come from? What did we do?
Came Overland Park.
Yeah, we came from your hair show.
Oh yeah, I went to hair class. I thought, is this a trick question?
This is not a trick question. No. We're on the right back.
You were screaming in my face, so I knew it wasn't.
Yeah. We're on the way back, and man, let me tell you, it is windy.
Yeah.
My hair be blowing. So is my wife's, but yeah. I guess my chin hairs be blowing or something like that.
Hopefully mine aren't.
Yeah, I hope not either. But it is windy as heck, man. I'm telling you. So
it is blowing us all over the road.
We're getting ready to be at Route 66, the beginning of it, here in Oklahoma. We're going to do some filming for our MHogz channel
not the beginning
in
of
Oklahoma,
66.
and pretty excited about being able to get this series started. So, but yeah, been a wonderful time, wonderful adventure.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was good.
Learned a lot.
Yeah,
Learned some new things.
Yeah.
Excited to get on board with some of that.
Yep. All right. Well, you ready to take off?
Yeah.
Your lips, you got balm on your lips?
Lips are dry. No, I'm going to need some.
Yeah, all right. We'll make that happen. All right, everyone. We shall see you later.
What are you saying?
No, you said it. You did it for me. You did great.
Well, you looked at me. I didn't know if I was supposed to
That's because I like looking at you, babe. All right, we're going to make this happen. Got the old man here.
Hey.
We're going to have him on YouTube with us. And I didn't know if I was going to be able to make it happen, but we're making it happen. And what did you say just a moment ago? You got to get yourself all...
It's my hair combed. And
yeah. You got to primp yourself and make sure you're ready for YouTube land. But we're getting ready to take off from Kansas City. Dad, thank you so much for having the opportunity to come here. And thank you for lunch, too, as well. Appreciate that.
Hey, I love it. Anytime you could come.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Well, Shannon and I are getting ready to take off, and we're going to head down to hopefully get to see some Route 66 stuff if we can make it down there in time. It just depends on the traffic and stuff, but it'll be fun, it'll be enjoyable. And again, Dad, love you. Thank you so much for having us.
Love you too, son.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you on the other side, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
Love.
McDonald's in the world is in Oklahoma.
I did know that.
Yeah, you did know. Here, so. Because you live here. I bet all of you did not know that the largest McDonald's in the world is actually
like every school trip I ever went on, we stopped at this McDonald's.
Yeah,
every road trip.
I think every single road trip on Highway 44, you actually stop at this place. But this is the entryway. This is the gas station that's here. And then we'll turn this around. You'll actually see the McDonald's is up this stairway.
They have a subway now.
Oh, apparently there's subways, so now I guess they can claim that this is the largest subway in the United States. Let's go up and check it out. It's been a fun little ride home from Kansas City. We may or may have not been speeding, but we got here pretty fast. So, almost home. We're making it there. Check this out. This. Oh, man. Look at this. It's like we're in an airport or something. And then here's the old McDonald's here behind us. And then you can see over here, there's a gift shop too as well.
That's pretty cool.
You can see some Route 66. That is really cool.
I don't think I would like that.
Probably would like that.
Ooh, I love that one with the teepees on it. That's cool.
We do like our teepees here in Oklahoma. But some really cool shorts actually over here. Really neat. But we are going to be on our way. Check this out. You can get some Route 66 coins too as well. And then this is actually called the Will Rogers Highway or Interstate. And so we have a statue of Will Rogers right here. For those that are young that don't know who that is, go look it up, check him out. Pretty cool old-time Western. So, all right, we are on the home stretch, everyone. Hopefully you have enjoyed our videos from being able to travel to Kansas City and back home. And now we are going to wrap it up and call it done. So thank you all for have been subscribing and being a part of this with us. We appreciate all of you. For us to have gray beards, we already know that's where it comes from, but maybe for others that don't know, that's where it comes from. He's actually from Oklahoma, from Claremore, Oklahoma to be exact. Yeah, it's going to be a fun little ride home. We're excited to be able to finally wrap this up, call it done, be home with the kids, and again, happy trails to you.